Hey everyone! Welcome to Anjali Art. Today, I'm drawing a hyper-realistic half-orange. I start with a light sketch to map out the shape. Color the base of the orange with color pencils. Then slowly build up the texture using layers of shading and highlights. The trick to making it pop? Paying close attention to those tiny details. The pulp, the juicy reflections. For this I used white gel pen. And at the end, shadows. And there it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. What should I draw next? Let me know below.